Good evening. Today we have with us Mr. Vibhor Tyagi. He is a senior professional in Viavi as a national channel manager in the network and service enablement department. So Mr. Tyagi, I welcome you to ITS India Forum.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.
So nice of you to take out time and for your willingness to give inputs on ITS, which is an upcoming and critical technology. So sir, as we know, you are already part of a telecommunication management ecosystem.
Yes, very true.
You are into the management of the telecommunication network. You are also part of an ecosystem which provides telecommunication services that can enable the field equipments like toll gates and all. So according to your experience, can you just enlighten us that how does your technology solution contributes to ITS?
Good question. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you.
Okay, just give you a brief. Basically, we have a complete telecom infrastructure label. We have the cameras are there, we have notice boards, we have the toll gates, and we have rescues, we have a phone booth available. Not only this, we have some more, you can say, kind of the network information system, management system, and all these things. And we know that transport is basically spread all over country. It's a long distance, and moreover, this is a new highway which are building. It's a greenfield kind of things. So basically, to enable all these different elements, we ensure that these elements are connected and working properly. So we are basically, you can say, the keeper of the infrastructure, the telecommunication infrastructure, which is the basically key backbone and lifeline of these all equipments. Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think is the most critical issue right now we are facing related to your technology area for the implementation of ITS in India?
Okay, so basically what happened, because right now India is in a golden path, we have a lot of infrastructure development. One way we have infrastructure development, but second side it is very, you can say negative for my existing telecommunication networks. Okay. We have an optical fiber cable, and because of the network infrastructure development, expanding the road, these cables got cut. And of course, because of these reasons, entire communication got stopped.
Okay.
So these are many things which need policy kind of things, like this kind of things have certain passage, dedicated passage or something like this. So this kind of activity in future can be controlled. It is important for the communication keep going on continuously. And it is also very important to for a country, because we cannot you can say we cannot this is a huge cost, and we cannot take the burden of this.
We cannot take the risk. Yeah. It will lead to financial loss if some technology is implemented incorrectly. Then we have to redo it.
Exactly. It's unnecessary redo work.
So you mean to say that the policy should outline a very clear and well documented ways of implementing the technology, so that we don't delay the implementation and the implementation is correct?
Obviously. Of course, one way we can have an implementation policy, like so this my infrastructure can be prevent for unnecessary cutting and all these things. Secondly, we also have the policy to ensure that we have maintained certain quality of service standard in our network.
Correct.
Because network is evolving like manifold.
Right.
And it is a converged network. So it is also very important for us to ensure the quality of services or minimum basic requirement of the services for individuals.
They should be met.
Exactly.
I hope your inputs will be taken well. by all the stakeholders of ITS system, and we can move towards an implementation of an ITS system which is really efficient. Thank you so much for your input, sir.
Thank you, and really all the very best. And it's a really very great initiative, because this kind of a platform is required.
Yes, we are trying to do something for India, so that we can also take pride in contributing to something that is so critical. Thank you.
Exactly.
Thank you for your wishes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.